and supporting the NBA and sports organizations that support China. So I don't even want to hear a word you say. It's the truth. Like 99% of these guys that just spam online, Blizzard bad, Blizzard not good, don't support Blizzard products, don't support Classic WoW. You're a sellout if you support Blizzard. They're going on Amazon the next day. They're going from all these companies that are doing heinous shit as well, and they're supporting those companies with their wallet. So I don't want to hear it. I really don't want to hear it, and that's the truth. It really is the truth. It's the truth. It's the god honest truth.